llegamos.
We'd like to be the first to welcome you to Guatemala. The local time here is 1:20. For your continued comfort and safety, we do ask that you please remain comfortable in your seat with your seatbelt securely fastened about you until the captain has brought the airplane to a complete stop at our gate and has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign, where at that time it will be safe for you to move into the aisles to collect any of those personal belongings you have brought on board. If you're making other flight connections here or need any other information, we do have Delta representatives greeting this flight. They'll be happy to help you. On behalf of your Atlanta-based flight crew, it certainly has been a pleasure serving you. We hope that in the future, if you do have air travel in mind, you once again think of Delta Airlines. Thank you, and good day, and have a happy weekend. Thank you.
Señores pasajeros, es un placer darles la bienvenida a Guatemala. La hora local es aproximadamente la 1:20. Por favor, permanezcan sentados con sus cinturones de seguridad abrochados hasta que el avión se haya parado completamente y el aviso de abrochar sin cinturón haya sido apagado. Antes de abrir los compartimentos superiores, les rogamos que usen precaución para evitar que caiga algún artículo que pueda causarles daño. Si necesita asistencia